In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Cursor AI code editor. Whether you're a seasoned programmer or just getting started in the world of coding, this guide will help you navigate this powerful tool efficiently. First things first, you'll need to download and open Cursor AI. This is a straightforward process. Once you have it installed, open up the application and you'll be greeted with a familiar interface if you've used other coding editors before. Cursor AI is designed to be intuitive, so if you're used to environments like Visual Studio Code, you'll feel right at home here. After opening Cursor AI, you'll want to set up your workspace by creating or opening a project folder. This is where all the magic happens. Whether you're starting a new project or working on an existing one, organizing your files in a designated folder helps you keep everything in a neat and manageable order. Now it's time to dive into the editor itself. Cursor AI functions similarly to widely used editors such as VS Code, allowing you to write or edit your code seamlessly. You can type away, implement your solutions, and make changes just as you would in any code editor. It supports various programming languages, so you're not limited in what you can achieve here. One of the standout features of Cursor AI is its AI assistance capabilities. If you find yourself stuck or needing help, you can simply press CMD or Ctrl along with K. This opens up the AI chat panel where you can ask for code assistance. Whether you need clarification, a bit of guidance, or even some fresh ideas, the AI is there to help you. When working with code, it's common to want to optimize your solutions or troubleshoot issues. With Cursor AI, you have the convenience of highlighting any piece of code and utilizing the AI edit feature. This allows you to refactor, fix problems, or even get explanations on specific sections. It's like having a co-pilot with you, offering suggestions and insights right when you need them. Once you've written and polished your code, you might need to run it to see the results. Cursor AI comes with a built-in terminal, so you can execute your code directly within the editor. No need to switch back and forth between different applications, helping you maintain focus and streamline your workflow. Finally, remember to save and manage your files regularly, just as you would in any other code editor. Cursor AI provides all the standard file management functionalities, ensuring that your projects stay organized and easily accessible for future edits. That wraps up our guide on using the Cursor AI code editor. With these steps, you should be well equipped to explore the depths of your programming projects with efficiency and creativity. Happy coding!